what's up, it's Jasmine Rozay and I'm back with another video. I'm just coming by to show you how I installed my glueless closure bob I made. I'm showing you the inside of the wig. It's completely machine made, and I just adjusted the straps so that it fits nice and securely on my head. So I just go ahead and slap it on. Make sure I go ahead and adjust it. It's a 4x4 closure wig, and I did part it on the side so that I can have a side part. And I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it out and adjust it to how I want it. And I like to wear my bobs like behind my ear. I don't know, I just like how natural it looks. I don't know, I just like the look of it. So I'm just gonna make sure I tuck the hair behind my ear. I'm going to put a little bit of Got to Be on my finger, and I'm going to use that to lay my edges once I go ahead and pull those out. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I cut me some edges real quick, because I like for my wigs to look natural. And just want to use a small amount of the Got to Be, not a whole lot. I'm going to use my edge brush to go ahead and swoop these edges, lay those to the guards, honey. And you don't want to pull out too much hair. You just want, just a little bit, because then I don't like how it looks when it's too much hair. You want to look as natural as possible. You want people to be like, is that a wig? It's an illusion. And I'm just going to go ahead and make sure my real hair is laid, so I don't have a nice silky wig on with some nappy edges. And that is it. When I say 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes for me to put on this wig. Yes, quick and easy. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you like this wig, you can always order it. Make sure you email me or click my link in the description box.